This is Avalanche with weather. Notice the 45, 30, 15 euros et 0 euro. Those are the possible prizes. Here's the other side. Et commencez. Il fait du vent, oui. Il fait froid, oui. Il fait doux, oui. Doing a one-letter forgiveness.
For us?
For all of you. One-letter forgiveness unless the letter changes the meaning. Okay, we see en printemps. Avalanche. The baby is actually O. Au printemps. Printemps is slightly misspelled. Away goes the 45. And I'm just going to switch them up. You guys are blocking the camera. Quel temps fait-il? J'ai froid. Et il fait du soleil. I do forgive you one letter for misspelling fait. That's 45 euros. 45 euros. Well, you are forgiven. It's just one letter. Now, since they won, away goes your 30. And if that's your answer, you just avalanched out. It's au printemps, and there goes your 15. 0. 0 euro. Désolé. Round 2. Commencez. En hiver, oui. En été, oui. J'ai chaud, oui. Il fait... Il neige, oui. Il fait doux. Technically, that's il fait chaud. Il fait chaud, Avalanche. I've got to take away the 45, and I'm going to mix them up. Il fait beau, il fait du soleil. Bravo, 45 euros. Payez-vous. Now, since they just won,
I don't know.
they just took away your taunts. Now you have il fait doux versus il fait mauvais. Avalanche. 0 euro. Désolé. Round 3. Commencez. En hiver, oui. En été, it's a one-letter forgiveness. That's actually 2 letters. The accent's going the wrong way. En été, there goes your 45. I'm just going to switch that. Il neige, il fait beau, il fait du vent. Last one. Il fait... Thinking about it. Il fait chaud. We have a winner. 45 euros. They just took away your 30.
Oh,
Il fait frais. Last one. Il fait du soleil. 15 euros.